welcome to danST Engineering. This morning I just wanted to do a quick product overview of our DCOE throttle body kits and what we can offer with them, and just clear up any questions that people might have on them. So yeah, we can do all the popular options. Obviously Ford is a big seller. We do VW, we do Vauxhall, we do Porsche, we do all sorts. Yeah, any of the ones that are on our website, check it out, and we can do those for you. But we do stock a lot of the Ford ones, such as the ones that I've got on the table this morning. So yeah, we can do a beautiful fabricated inlet manifold. Okay, they all come fully ported, smoothed out on the inside, so no issues there. Fully TIG welded. They come with the throttle bodies already mounted on the inlet, okay, with the linkage already mounted and operational. Okay, so that's all done for you. They come fully balanced, okay, so you won't need to do that so much when you fit them. And they can come with a two-piece fuel rail like this one. They can come with a billet fuel rail like this with various end termination options. That's a quick release for a modern style fuel system, but we can do the straight push-on fittings, or we can do the Air-Equip AN style fittings. Obviously they come with our beautiful CNC'd trumpets in 25, 50 or 90mm lengths. They come with various injector options. You don't need to spec injectors, but we do genuine Bosch injectors, 380s, 550s, all the rest of it. Okay, so they are on there as well on the drop-down menus on our website. We can also do the engine management, obviously, ME221, ME360s, 442s with fully terminated looms for Vauxhalls, for Fords, and for VWs, and for various other ones, unterminated obviously as well. And we can also do you a fuel system kit, which will come with a pump, a regulator, a filter, and all that side of things, and a swirl pot if you like, so we can get you with the fuel system up and running as well. So yeah, have a look on our website. There'll be a link in the comments. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. If you like these videos, like and subscribe. And yeah, if you want to see any specific content, drop us a comment and we'll see what we can do. Otherwise, check out our DCOE throttle body kits if you want that real premium look. And yeah, shop now, and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much.